Instead of using traditional approach for calculation in multiple sheets like this, use 3D formula, an effective way to calculate across multiple Excel sheets. I would use a sum function which basically add up all these cells that are next to each other. In short, I want to sum all the cells from sheet Q1 to Q4. Let's look at how we do this. I'm going to type an equals, press Tab and select Sum. Then come to Q1 sheet, and I click on first cell in the unit sales column. Here's where it gets different. I want to select all the sheets from Q2 to Q4. Hold Shift key and click on the sheet Q2, Q3 and Q4. They have all gone white. Click Enter and we've got the same answer. So that has worked perfectly, but it is much quicker and much less likely to error. If I double-click, that will copy all down. Let's repeat the process for total as we did above and double-click to copy down. 3D formulas are a powerful tool for handling calculations across multiple worksheets, making complex tasks much simpler and more manageable.